Hello again, it's me, Flint, and I'm back after a couple days. I've just taken a break for a bit, but I'm back to writing The Sounds of Nightmares, Chapter 3, Part 1, The Theatre of the Mind. Everyone get relaxed to hear. He starts the recorder. During our fourth session, developments in Noon's case unearthed echoes of past failures. The girl recalled a familiar figure. He plays a part of a past recording. The candor man stood before me on the rooftop. He wore a long, filthy jacket. His presence, it reminded me of when the tide goes out. He stops the recorder. An uncanny sense of deja vu, for Noon has seemingly encountered my Cece's ferryman. I thought him lost forever. Yet, if true, he somehow found a way back to where he began. And who is he? Some deranged bedlamite? A mutual dreaming savant? Invading the nightmares of innocence? It seems absurd. All I know for certain is that I must dig deeper. He ends the recording. It's clear Noon's symptoms go beyond parasomnias. Her retellings are too detailed, her vocabulary too advanced, as if derived from the oniric itself. However, what I find impossible to believe is that Noon's seen who you saw, Cece. If two people, without any contact, shared the exact same observation, is it proof of transpersonal dreaming? But such implies concurrence, and these dreams are years apart. Then, no, I cannot be taken to metaphysical backwaters. Sounding like my old professor, I've remained balanced over the years by clinging to the notion that my recollection of what happened years ago was wrong. But now, those memories are coming home to roost. Before I began at the CPI, I promised to finish this apparatus. I let it fall away, convinced that attempting it was fool's work. Now struggling to put myself in her shoes, well, fool me twice. As he repairs the apparatus, he electrocutes his hands and he winces in pain. Noon opens the door to the room he's in. Noon? You're meant to wait outside. What are you working on? He ends the recording, then starts it again. We've come to know each other better over the past weeks, haven't we? Because we're friends. That's why. And friends tell each other things. Friends, that's right. One of the absolutes I've come to realise is that the more time you spend with someone, the harder it becomes to hide who you really are. The only exception to this rule is with the company of oneself. We willfully hide what we'd rather not face, like the Candyman you mentioned seeing under hypnosis. I don't like that. What? Hiding things from myself. Nobody likes it. That's why it's important to reveal your inner face. Depth analysis, we call it. And so, I'd like you to think of this session as a dialogue with your unconscious mind. You are asking the questions, not me. asking myself questions. I'll help, but as you go, I'd like you to try. So, this Candleman, did you see him again? I did. And what was this meeting like? He was much clearer. Not just him, everything about it. My nightmare. Elaborate, please. Was it worse? More vivid? That is the end of Chapter 3, Part 1, The Theatre of the Mind. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll write another part tomorrow or soon. Goodbye, my little ones.